I want to read Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson's the conclusion of her opinion. She says the majority of my colleagues seem to have put their trust in our court's ability to prevent presidents from becoming kings through case-by-case application of the indeterminate standards of their new presidential accountability paradigm. I fear that they are wrong, but for all of our sakes, I hope that they are right. In the meantime, because the risks and power the court has now assumed are intolerable, unwarranted, and plainly antithetical to bedrock constitutional norms, I dissent. Dissent language doesn't get stronger than that.
Well, the language couldn't get stronger because it deserves to be enormously strong. That language was uttered just 3 days before Independence Day. In several days, we will celebrate the nation's survival of a revolution against kings and queens. We had a revolution so that we wouldn't have a king. And now the Supreme Court says, that's what we're giving you. I don't think we should accept that present, but it seems to me that all that does is basically put the court on the ballot this November. We have to decide whether we want the kind of government that Donald Trump has helped us have by appointing 3 members to this court, because 3 of the members of the majority were appointed by him, and 2 members of the majority ought to have recused themselves, Alito and Thomas. That's 5 justices. And it's those 5 who ultimately decided that even the evidence of official acts couldn't be used to show what the president was up to when he used his official powers. Because motive supposedly doesn't matter, but motive is everything. Whether a president gave a pardon in return for a bribe depends on whether he was doing it as a corrupt matter or whether he was giving a pardon because he thought someone deserved mercy. As Justice Barrett pointed out, you can't really make sense of the quid without the quo, and yet under the incoherent decision of the majority, you can prove the transfer of money, but you can't prove anything about the pardon that was given in exchange. That's the kind of thing that makes this decision so incoherent. And what makes it really dangerous is that even if we eventually get over Trumpism and the MAGA movement, we will have to rely on the good character of future presidents, because the law will no longer serve as a source of inhibition. That's dangerous. That's a prescription for autocracy and eventually for authoritarianism and dictatorship.
Hey there, MSNBC fans. I'm Luke Russert, and be sure to join me, Rachel Maddow, Jen Psaki, Lawrence O'Donnell, Steve Kornacki, Joy Reid, and many more September 7th in Brooklyn, MSNBC Live Democracy 2024. Click on the link for ticket information. We will see you there.